everyone see the setting in this settings on this one is on auto. The finder monitor is set to auto, so it should switch between the eyepiece and the monitor. Okay. Right now it's showing that you can see the monitor's on. If I go here, it disappear, and it should go back like that, right? But sometimes for some reason it's not switching. Oh, and it switched. It's weird. Now that I'm trying to show you how to fix it, now it's working. So let me pretend that my eyes is in there. Switch. Now it's not switching again. No, it switched, which is weird. Normally it's like really fast. Now it's working. It's weird. It's been giving me issue for the last like whole week actually, and now I'm trying to show you how to fix it. Now it's working. Anyway, if you're having that issue, let me show you how. There's actually a sensor up here. The sensor is right here. See? So all you need to do is clean that sensor. Easiest way to do is just remove this thing here. There's a 2 notch over here. You push out and slide out. See this thing here? You just slide it out this way, and you can pull it up, and either get a Q-tip or something else to clean it. See? Just clean that part, and might as well clean your eyepiece too, and that should fix your problem. Let me get something to clean mine. So, alright, so I'm just gonna clean it with this wipe. Hopefully it reaches the inside of it. Q-tip will work too. Let me use a Q-tip because the edge I can't reach. You get a Q-tip. Alright, so get the lens wipe, Q-tip. Just wipe it. Wipe the sensor. Wipe. This looks much cleaner now. Forget to turn that off. Turn off your camera when you're doing this. Alright, it's clean. Alright, if you have those blower too, the one you can pop, use that. And I don't have it with me. I don't know what happened to my blower. A little pop thingy and a little brush. Let me find it. Alright, I found it. This one should be a little brush here somewhere. I haven't used this. That's for the lens. It should be a brush here. See, little brush. If you have some blower, will be better too. Okay. Alright, should be okay. And I should put this in a camera bag. And put this one back, just slide it in, snap, and you should be good to go. What, it's gonna have problem now. See, it's quicker. See? Earlier it wasn't this quick. See, it goes back right away. It switches right away. Alright, so that's how you fix the issue if you're having the issue not switching quickly enough, or he's not switching at all. It's the sensor up here. Just clean that up and I'll go back to normal. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Click that notification bell, and I hope this helps. Alright, that's it. This works for the Sony. I don't know about the other brands, but this is how I fix this. I have a Sony, so it works this way. It might work the same way as the other brands. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.